In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send message on Slack using Slack incoming webhook URL. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create an app in Slack, enable incoming webhooks, and get the unique URL you can use to post messages into a channel from your tools and automations. First, open your browser and go to api.slack.com/apps. Make sure you're signed in to the Slack workspace where you want messages to appear. On the Apps page, select Create New App, then choose from scratch. When prompted, pick the workspace you want to connect. Depending on your Slack setup, you may also be asked to provide a short app name so teammates can recognize messages that come from this integration. Once your app is created, you'll land on its settings page. In the left sidebar, find Incoming Webhooks and click it. You'll see a description of how webhooks let external services send messages into Slack. Turn Activate Incoming Webhooks to on. This enables the feature for your app and unlocks the option to create webhook URLs. Next, select Add New Webhook to Workspace. Slack will ask which channel should receive messages sent through this webhook. Choose a public channel if you want broad visibility, or a private channel where only specific teammates can see the updates. Keep in mind that apps must be invited to private channels to post there. After choosing the channel, click Allow to confirm the permission request. Slack now generates your webhook URL. Copy it and store it somewhere secure. Treat this URL like a secret. Anyone with it can post into that channel. If you ever suspect the URL has been exposed, you can remove it in your app settings and create a new one. You can also create multiple webhooks for different channels or use cases if you prefer to keep messages separated. With the URL in hand, you're ready to send messages from your scripts, monitoring tools, or workflow automations. Most services that support webhooks will let you make a simple post request with a JSON payload containing a text field, which Slack uses as the message body. You can optionally customize the display name or icon for clarity, helping teammates quickly identify which system a message comes from. If you need to pause or retire the integration later, return to incoming webhooks in your app settings and toggle the feature off, or remove specific webhook URLs you no longer use. That's it. You've enabled incoming webhooks, connected a channel, and obtained your Slack webhook URL, ready for reliable automated messaging.